Hello guys, today nag-eat tayo ng mga snacks. Binili namin to. Ay, nasa ba yung chocolate na yun? Wait lang po. Dito. Sorry. Dalawa po yung chocolate na to. So, wait! My straw! That means Tanjeli a soup. My straw? I didn't even know. So, that's gonna be my drink, not my snack. So guys, sino yung worst YouTuber? I-comment mo down below. So, I don't know. So I was feeling thirsty. Sorry guys. Ma, can you get the spoon thing?
Mauwi, kasi memory na sa akin. Naka-live tayo na natin.
Bakit ang tigas nito?
Tigas talaga yun.
So we're only eating one of these, okay? Because I'm gonna watch a video. Oh no, my drink fell. Sorry guys. Mom, I'm trying to make a video here.
Ano gusto mo yung makagalang mo? Ano tayo mo?
I'll give you something.
Hindi ko naman kung ano yun. Pero
I want to home. So, ito na. I'm gonna make you look at them first. It's a little tiny bite. Magaling may straw sila. So, na 2 minutes na tayo. Hindi pa natin nakakain yung chocolate.
mama po na yung memory na sa akin.
Opa. So, we're done to the last food. Mom, why are you there? Sorry, my mom there. Look at that. So she's watching my other videos. So her followers are my followers too. We're sharing. Sorry, we just got a book with that search.
Oh.
I love it. So, look at that cranking baby. Look at that. What? Look up. Uy, lagay yung malambot. Nasa pa tayo. Goodbye!